Hello. So in today's session, I'm going to explain how we can add new article into the existing publication. Okay. So let's suppose I already created a one publication for demo database, and this database have five table. Okay. So if I can expand here, properties, publication property. So basically you have to expand your local publication. You got to know what publication configured. Right click on property. So you will get article list. How many article is part of this current, you can say, publication. So let's suppose I have to add additional table into the current publication. So what I have to do, you have to uncheck this. So only check article. It means how many per articles, how many tables are participating into the current publication. Those are showing here. But if you can click here, uncheck, you will get to know how many tables are there. So basically, I have to add this table into the existing publication. So what should be a step you have to take care? So same thing, you have to click right click properties and then articles. You have to uncheck and you got your new table. Just check here. After checking, one another step you have to play. Let's suppose I uncheck and then if you can see your data and how you got to know this publication have which subscription data, you have to expand this one. You got to know server name is a server MS SQL Server 02 and database is a demo DB underscore rep. So it means we have to expand our demo database. If you can see, okay, it's running. Okay, demo databases same. Which one database we are referring? Demo underscore rep, and nothing is replicated here. Oh my God. Okay, so you can see only four objectives here. So if I will be refreshing, and if you can see replication monitor, right click launch replication monitor, you can see the replication is working fine. Okay, and if you can double click, you get to know each and every point is running fine, and here is uncommitted undistributed command is 0. It means everything is replicated. So it means whatever additional article you added, it's not participating. So you have to right click once again and click on view snapshot agent, and you have to start. Second step, first step, you have to check whatever new table you want, like a one additional table or two additional table, or let me see, can I replicate any other items? So if you can see here, I already checked this one, and if I can click here procedure, you got to know one procedure. So you want to replicate TBL imply one and get imply procedure. So you have to check and click OK. First step. It's a very pretty straightforward steps. You have to right click and here you have to go and view snapshot agent. And once again, you have to start this status. So if you can start, they will pick up whatever article is listed there. So whatever article I added or removed, that will populate it from the source and they will try to publish it into the subscription basically. So let me see what is happening. Initially, you got four articles are replicating. Now they will mention six article because one additional table I mentioned and one procedure I mentioned. So let me try to see what is happening. You can say first TBL categories initial in progress, basically generating a schema script for the article, this one. And you can see now six article was generated. Are you able to see? Initially you got like a fourth, but now we have six because one additional procedure and one additional table I added. So let me try to check what is the status now in rep database. So demo database try to refresh and you can see what is happening. You can say new table imply 01 is replicated here successfully. And if you can expand procedure, procedure is also replicated. Okay, get imply. You got my point? So basically two additional object, two additional table we added into the existing publication and now replication is working fine. So whatever data you will be inserting into the new table, you will get data is generated. Okay, so let me try to insert. Now, if I can check how many records are there into the new table, just try to check. Here is a 3 record, and if you can check your application database, you will get a same record count. Yeah. So let me try to add additional data. Okay. Insert into, let me try to use this table. And same pattern, I'm going to add one another column. It's 1005, and then I'm adding XYZ. But first you have to convert, because this is a data type binary, you have to convert into the binary, because normal text they will not accept. So cast as binary. Only this point you have to mention while inserting a binary data into the your table. Okay. Just try to close your additional bracket and try to hit execute command. You will get data is inserted here in your publication server. And let me try to check in your subscriber. And this is your subscriber. You can see data is replicated successfully. So these are steps to adding a new table into the existing publication. Same process you have to follow. Let me go to remove one table, existing table from the subscript publication properties. Right click on publication properties. So adding or removing basically we are covering in this session. So let's suppose I have to remove this table, existing table TVL category. Uncheck this one and click OK. So I'm removing for now, and same steps, view snapshot agent and try to start. Now you can see one article I removed, you will get snapshot 6. Instead of 6, you will get a 5 was generated. So next point, like let's suppose I remove a data. So basically, if I remove, so it means I can do whatever data I will insert into this table, category table, that data will not replicated into the subscriber basically. So that's why I remove. Because last time I tried to change the data type binary, but I got some error. We can't edit because this article is a part of publication. So if you want to do something like activity, so you can directly go and change those. Okay. So let me check what is your status now. You can say only 5 article is replicated, and you got to know here you'll get a all table because I didn't drop it to this table. But if you want to do drop, now you can play drop command because this table is a not part of, you can say, replication. If you can go properties, you can see one leaf, 4 table and one procedure is a part of replication. You got my point?
Yes, Priya.
So basically I added and removed few tables from the existing publication. Only these point we play in this session. Okay, we'll try with the next session with the next solution. Okay, thank you.